Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this locker box die set. And before that, I want to give you an update for the new dies that are sold by the KLJYP store. So in the video yesterday, I showed all the 4 new dies from their store and 2 old dies. And yeah, and I got a lot of comment that they are sold out and you really love these, right? So I checked with the owner again, and she told me that all these dies, maybe not these 2, but these 4 are still available in their Amazon store. So I will check and put the link in the description box below. So not too many in the Amazon left, but there are some left there. And if you search JF Party dies on Amazon, you will find all their dies. And for these 2, oh, I'm sorry. So for this one, it's still available in the AliExpress store. And for the others, including the hot burlap die, they will be restocked in 3 to 4 days. Yeah, so definitely check that when they are available. And so let's go back to this tutorial. So let me show you the die set first and explain. So yeah, for each die set, so you get all these parts, and this one is to make 1, 2, 3, the 3 sides. So you need to cut this piece 3 times, and also this inner layering piece 3 times. And this piece is to make the front side of your locker, so you need to cut it 1 time. And for this one, you will also get this frame, right? This frame. So this is the frame. So you need to cut it 1 time. And then you will get this piece. So this is to make the top and the bottom of your box. So you need to cut it 2 times. And also this is for the layering paper, and you also need to cut it, yeah, like 2 times. Or if you do it like with the bottom part blank, so you only need to cut 1 time to decorate the top. And then this piece is to make the door of this locker. So you need to cut this outer piece 1 time and this inner piece 1 time to create this part. And then you will get a lot of extra tiny dies here. And this is the one that you need to cut, is to make this inner part. So cut it 1 time for these 2. And then this is the part to make the lock, like so. You can do it in this way, or you could use this one to cut, and it will look like this way. So 2 different ways. And then these are the extra dies that you could use to decorate. And for this one, you could just cut it like this is the back side of your locker. So the front, the back, and then you could put this piece like so, and run through the machine. So you will get this part like this way. So it's just a different way to make your locker box. You could, you don't need to use this also, so the back side will look like this. And so I have cut all these out, and let's get started. So first, let me put all the layering pieces on top, so it will be faster. So when you stick this part, just make sure you stick it in this way, because the door opens like so. See, like this, so don't stick it in the wrong direction. And for these two, you need to stick it like so. So add a little glue on both ends. So I have stick all the layering pieces on the base paper now, and now you need to take two pieces for the side part and trim off all the glue flaps. So like so, two sides are without the glue flap, and this one is with the glue flap, because if we made another die set that's without the glue flap, then it will be an extra die set, and then that will also add the money for this whole die set. So we made it in this way. Just you could save some extra money just by, you could trim off the extra part so easily, right? Okay, so I will take this piece as the bottom piece. So let me first fold all these lines and stick it. So make sure if you put this part with flap in this area, right, then you need to put this one here and this one here. So they will all have the glue flaps to connect. And now folding these two folding lines and add glue here. And now let's put this top part. So you need to add glue on three sides and stick it. Just first stick the back side and then put it down. And now you could hold all the sides so they will be in the right place. See, it looks like this. So this is why I didn't glue this part first, because it's easier to glue the top part and the bottom part like it this way. And now let's glue this part. So fold the folding line on this part and glue it here. And also make sure you put it like so. So this part should be in this side and the flap part in the back side. So in this way, your door can open, right? But if you put it inside, then your door can't open. So yeah, just make sure you do it in this way. And this door is designed as a little smaller than this whole rectangle part, and it's designed in this way just for a better open for this door part. So you could adjust it a little bit just to make sure that the top and the bottom part is almost the same gap. Okay, so it looks like this. And now we can make this part. So fold the folding lines for these two parts. And now adding glue on these two parts. And also these two parts. Now we can put it into this box. And close it like so. Just make sure the glue glues well. Oh, I forgot to add the lock part. I already cut these pieces, but I forgot it. Okay, so yeah. Let me add it here. And add it here. And then I also, oh my gosh. Okay, and add a little glue here. And now stick it to the door. I forgot about it. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's better to do it earlier, but it's still okay. Yeah, so the box is almost finished. So it's like this, right? And if you want to make it better, then you could add the magnet here. So first, the glue gun needs to be heated. So I use, this tiny magnet. I don't know about the measurements, but it's just tiny magnet. I think there are many, should be available on Amazon or on AliExpress. I'm not sure. But let's wait. So just add a little glue on the magnet and then put it in the back side of this corner. See? And now you could put this magnet here. So you will know what place to put it, right? And then add hot glue on top and close it. And now you will find the right place for your magnet. And let's do the same to the bottom part. Oh, put the magnet here and add glue. Okay, so this locker box is ready and it like so. And if you want to make just an extra shelf for the locker, you could do it just by adding an extra paper that put here and make a little glue flap on both ends and then stick it here. So like this piece is about 6 centimeters long for the width. I think it's 6 by 6. Sorry, I don't have my piece here, so I could only measure it in the mat, and I will just do a quick explanation and put the extra part as glue flaps. So your paper should be larger than 6 by 6 centimeters. So like 7 by 7 centimeters, and to make the 1 extra centimeter as the glue flaps, then to make the drawer part. See, like this. And you need to do it before we close the box. So you could stick it. Okay, I need to fold extra more because I don't have my ruler here. I'm not sure about the size. But see, it will look like this. Could you see it clearly? So if you want to add an extra layer on this part, you could make it like so. Just before close this part, and you before close this part and this part, you could just put a paper and stick these two ends to these two sides. See, like this. And yeah, and then your drawer is ready. And if you want to make it more sturdy, you could just cut like stick two pieces, and also you need to make an extra glue flap at this part, so it will be like this, right? And then trim off the extra. And then put it into the box. Then it will have glue flaps in three sides, and it will be much more sturdy for this layer. And I think it would be also very cool that you could put just like two tire of things in the locker. So hope this tutorial helps you. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So you could also do like the advent calendar by adding all these numbers that come with the set also. Yeah, so it's all for it today. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.